2006 Mustang. Brake booster replacement. Right in here. Getting this out. Putting in the new baby right here. You see? Yes, sir. Gotta unclamp it from in here. You see? Yeah, see the clamp? Unclamp it. Let's get it going. Alright, brake booster replacement. You're gonna wanna, detach this cable right here, unscrew these little screws to take off the brake fluid manifold, and disconnect it from the brake booster right here. This sucker. That should look old as shit. Alright, see, I just loosened it right here, as you can see, from these screws. Now I just gotta unscrew these screws right here so that I could detach the manifold or cylinder so I can get to the brake booster to take this sucker out next. Alright, just got it off. Got the brake fluid cylinder off real quick. These were the attachments right here. Here's the brake booster right here. I gotta take it off from the inside. Here's the brake manifest cylinder right here. It's leaking a little bit, so just gotta probably refill it when we're all done. But, yep, getting there. Alright, now what you're gonna wanna do is, for this brake booster replacement, unscrew those screws. There's like 4 of them, I believe, and then you see the green clip right there. Want to take that out, and then it should be free once you unscrew those. Yes, sir. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, it's the old one right here I just took out. Comparing with the new one I'm about to put in. Yeah, just got this from like scrapyard, pull apart type, part area. But yep, that's where it's about to go, right back in there. Yes, sir.